Hello. Today I am going to build a budget carnivorous plant terrarium. I will be building the terrarium in a used glass bottle, which would make the build cost effective as well as eco-friendly. Remove the labels and stickers from the jar and make sure it is clean inside out. Start by adding a drainage layer to the jar. The drainage layer should be approximately 5 cm thick, and this will provide water for your plant. It can be anything inert from perlite to aquarium gravel. Next, add your special potting mixture for carnivorous plants. Do not use compost or gardening soil, as this is unhealthy for the plants and it will kill them over the time. Please make sure you use an appropriate substrate. I am using my own blend, which is based on peat, perlite, orchid bark, akadama, bonsai soil and long fiber sphagnum moss. Carefully plant your favorite plant into the soil and make sure not to crush it. I used a cute Drosera which I bought online from dfaquatics.com. I had the option to purchase soil with the plant, so it was convenient for me and saved me money on buying a lot of substrates. Now you can decorate the pot with live moss and tree bark. I picked all these up from my garden, so it didn't cost me anything at all. You guys must have noticed that I used tweezers for the job, but chopsticks or bamboo skewers will do the same thing. Finally, water your terrarium with some distilled water or ironing water. They are not huge fans of the tap water, as the minerals in it can be toxic to your plant friend. Close the lid firmly and leave it on a sunny windowsill or under an LED light. If your jar is airtight, you don't have to worry about watering it frequently, as it will take the form of an ecosphere. I hope you guys learned something useful from my video. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more cool videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.